Make a great choice today with the 2019 Murano. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, stability control, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist, traction control. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.